Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to apply effects to your picture on the Lightroom application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Go to the library section, tap on all photos and select the picture you want to edit. After that, slide to the right side of the screen down below and click on Effects. Here you can find a bunch of options that you can adjust, such as the texture of your picture, the clarity, dehaze, the vignette can be adjusted too, as well as the midpoint, roundness, the feather, the highlights and the grain, as well as the size and the roughness. So feel free to play with these slides at this section and select the best value that suits your preferences the most. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.